Alright, so I was supposed to go past that trailer park place. I can mop the ditch. Yeah, I'll just mop the ditch. Hopefully no one decides to mob into the ditch with me and nail me. Alright, how am I gonna do this? I do not know any of the ATV laws here, but I see razors on the road, so I might be alright. I have my license. I don't have a motorcycle license, but I don't know. I can tell the cops is a 50. Ugh. Where does that go? There's Walgreens, alright. That's one thing I'm worried about. I never really see dirt bikes here doing what I'm doing. Shaved. Park up front like I own the place. I wonder, I could probably keep filming in here. Just take my helmet off. Nah. Alright, got the goods. See if I can shake all these Red Bulls up on the way home. It's gonna be painful. Ugh. How do I get out of this joint? I don't think I was supposed to go down that way. Maybe you can. There's people coming. I do not know if they're cops or not. So we'll just take the way I took back. Come on. There we go. Actually, I think this road over here might get back. Might be able to take it. Nah, it's just his neighborhood. Damn it! Banana boss! Damn, it stinks. Son of a bitch. Yo, I'm kind of worried about this car up here. I think it's a retired cop car, but you never know. It kind of looks like an unmarked too. I guess I'm really not doing anything. I'm off-road. And there's probably a meth plant in there too. Probably in that oven. You never know. My ass was tired. In case you guys really wanted to know. Ooh, what is that? That looks interesting. I'll probably die on this, guys, so I might not even be able to upload that. Get some rev ropes in here. I don't like these. Hell yeah. That is cool. I don't have these at Fairbanks. I have to get some pictures though. This thing sounds throaty in here. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Start. I'm gonna race down there. Yeah, this shit is cool. I need more lighting. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it at that. I'm gonna go home and drink this whole pack of Red Bull. Probably die, so this might be my last video if I drink all of them. Alright guys, peace.